Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Wondering Shreya. In this video, I'm gonna tell you all about how to apply Azerbaijan visa. What I felt is Azerbaijan visa is the easiest visa in the whole world because you don't need to approach anyone and you can just apply that by sitting at home. Please follow the instructions step by step properly, then you won't face any delays and rejections in getting your Azerbaijan visa, and it's the smoothest and the most easiest one. So without any delay, let's get started.
Open the browser. Type Azerbaijan visa. Click on the second link evisa.gov.az. A page like this will open. Here you will get two options. One is urgent and second one single entry visa. If you need urgent visa, then click on it and you will receive your visa within 2 to 3 hours. But we clicked on the single entry visa as we were in no hurry. Next, a page like this will open. Here, select your nationality, then travel documents, which is your passport category. Then write the verification code and click on continue. Then select your purpose of visit. Choose the consideration period. We chose standard option, but if you need urgently, then choose urgent. Then select starting date of e-visa validity. Suppose I select 13 September. Now they are showing 90 days validity of my visa. Choose the dates accordingly to your travel need. For standard visa, the visa fees is $20 and service fees is $5. So the total cost of the visa is $25. Then click continue. Now a page will appear where all the visa related instructions are given. Read it carefully and you can also take a screenshot in case you need later. After reading, then click the below mentioned option. Now a page will open. Here write all your personal details. As you scroll down, here you need to write your accommodation details in Azerbaijan, in which hotel or hostel or dorm you are staying. Next you need to upload your passport's front page, which will be in JPG format. Next option, select no. If you are traveling with someone, then click on add a new person or else click complete application. Then verify your information carefully before submitting. Because after submitting you cannot change, then click verify. Now a payment page will open where you need to pay the visa fees. You can pay it by card or internet banking. After payment you will receive a mail which looks like this and it says that your application has been successfully processed. Within 2 to 3 working days you will get an email. From here you can download your e-visa. In our case, we received our e-visa within 8 hours.
I hope I made myself clear. Please follow the step-by-step instructions, and if you found it helpful, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more such amazing videos. See you all again in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.